Today I want to be showing you how easy it is to assemble these Kingbird garden beds. I have already got me 2 of them and they were so easy to assemble, and I like the way they look here in front of my house, so I have got 2 more that I want to assemble and put up back there behind the others. So stick with me for a few minutes. It shouldn't take long. I think the hardest part is going to be getting all the tape from the packaging off. Here's what comes in a package. Corners, the edges, an instruction user manual, any little tools you're going to need, the center bracing bar, and a set of gloves so you don't hurt your hands while you're doing it. These are the tops with the little clips on them. You can see both of those have the pieces. So then you just start and there you go. Now you'll put this bar in the, well, there are a couple of other things you have to do. You have to put screws along the bottom to hold it steady, and then you will also put these braces on either side of the bed so that it will hold this crossbar in place to keep it steady and from caving in or bowing out. So on the bracket for the center, I've put one in, and what you'll want to do is you'll want to put it to where this thing right here is to the top, so that it helps brace the top more of your bed, and that these things, once you put them in and press it down, they'll hold in there. They won't be going anywhere. We're going to put these along the bottom so that everything is held in place. Oh, that's not all my leftover screws. One of them's not. I need to put 2 in here to hold this so it doesn't fold. And 1 more. You have the brace. And you put it in there, one side, press it down, and then it holds. So you got it in the middle. So now I just need to go decide where I want it in my bed over there, and then get started filling it up. But it's very easy. Even I can do it. So it's not hard at all. I definitely recommend these raised garden bed. This particular one is 4 feet long, 2 feet wide, and 1 foot high. think that looks like a good spot. I think I'm gonna have to level it out just a little bit over here on me. Now I've got them both put together. I can't wait to start filling them up and get my veggies in it. I've got some okra and cucumbers over there that I want to put in. So then I've also got some beans too. So thank you for watching my video. Hope this might have helped somebody. I do recommend those Kingbird garden beds. I got mine off Amazon. They were like $27, $28 each, but I think they're well worth it. So I hope you like this video. Give me a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. So a couple of days later, and here are my planters. And the new ones back here, I did some cucumbers and I've planted some beans along the sides. Over here I've got okra and beans along the sides. So maybe I will get some vegetables from these things, hopefully. I know it's not going to be enough to feed us all year, or probably even can or do anything like that, but hey, if I can get a little bit, I'll be happy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, if it helped you out in any way, please press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and maybe even hype it if you can, if it's available. That helps our channel out, and we'll see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Thanks for watching.